him. Like, I wouldn't mind him being part of the team para maturuan din yung mga bata. He has stepped up big time in the last window nung hindi masyado nagagamit si Junmar and Kai Sotto was undergoing injury. Just like the other bigs na sinasabi ko na medyo tumatanda na, they're getting less of playing time, AJ Edu is on the complete opposite at pataas yung kanyang karera. Cool guy, our main defensive stopper, would take some shots every once in a while. Meron tayong isang player that is dedicated on really putting a stop towards the guards of other teams. I'm so happy he's back. Noong mga nakaraang window kasi, sobrang halata yung weakness natin sa interior. No disrespect to the players, to the bigs who were part of that, pero iba talaga pag may Kai Sotto. I for sure hope he stays healthy. Please, 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 please. He already said na baka ito na daw yung last niya, which I think is bound to happen kasi nga tumatanda na rin si Junmar, pero di naman ibig sabihin nun na hindi na siya pwede para sa FIBA Asia. That's the reason why he's here. You can expect the multiple-time PBA MVP to be there. To me, I think he's great, but he's also inconsistent. Like, I wanna see him on point sa mga shooting drills niya kasi parang siya yung pinaka-aasahan natin pagdating sa shooting eh. This team doesn't have a 3-point specialist. Pero si Calvin Sana, who has at least an inch or two na labang over his defenders, would be able to shoot threes. Yes, Carl Tamayo and KQ have been making a lot of noise in Korea and they are so good now. Like, so good. Both of them, heavy contributors para sa kanilang mga teams over at SK. Yung pagtira niya nung huling free throw, yun pa yata yung naglagay kay coach team ko na parang, sige, pasok mo na nga yan. I mean, he's really good. Dami niya nilipatan ng mga bansa. Pero dito niya lang pala sa Pilipinas makikita yung kumpiyansa niya. Sana di siya kabahan pagdating na international kasi kung sakali siya na yung susunod eh. This is a no-brainer. This guy is the go-to scorer of San Miguel and he still can do it. At kaya niya pa rin gawin yun. I'm really happy that Scotty is there and feeling ko with the addition of the other guards, baka ma-relieve na lang konti si Scotty with his role in facilitating at bumalik siya sa pagiging isang scorer with the addition of RJ and 1GDL. Isip lang din siguro ni Coach Tim kung ano yung magiging primary role nitong si Scotty if the others are gonna be added into the lineup.